We are at Chongqing Special Noodle. This is a place that's very special to our hearts because it just has really great noodles, dishes, and they've been around for a while. They survived the pandemic, and their noodles are just really good. It's like a hole-in-the-wall place in San Gabriel. If you're here and you are intimidated because it's packed, don't be. It's worth the wait, and if you don't want to wait, they have a website where you can order. They might not be the best on English, so website has all the English on there and you can order ahead. This is really a place that still has fairly affordable dishes.
Yeah, I would say the bulk of everything is under $13.99 or so.
Oh, and if you come with 3 people, they give you a free side of the cold Saliva chicken, which we ordered because we're not here with 3 people, but it's worth it. All right, this is the cold steamed chicken is what it's called on the menu, but in Chinese, it's basically Saliva chicken because it's so delicious, you're gonna be salivating. Spicy. The sauce is numbing and spicy. So if you're into that, this is for you. And there's peanuts, but this is so good. It's really addicting. And this is a special dish that originated from Sichuan. That's why there's numbing. There might be a little bit of bone, but majority of it is boneless and it's really tender. It's pepper pork fried rice. It's pork with spicy peppers.
There's so many different things in here. There's the veggies, and then there's the ground meat, and then the peanuts. Look at this ultimate noodle pull right here.
You're gonna take that one bite?
Yeah. It is a little bit thicker towards the bottom. Look at this consistency.
And there's peanuts, like a peanut sauce. So you have to mix it.
Yeah, there's a little note here that says if you want authentic, delicious noodles, please stir 18 times at the bowl bottom. I haven't been counting. This has got to be one of the most delicious noodle dishes, maybe in all of SGB. The noodles are so perfectly cooked, very nicely coated because of the sauce. You get a lot of the numbing spice. If you've never had numbing spice before, it's kind of like that feeling when you drink a soda and the carbonation kind of burns, but it burns so good. That's what numbing spice is like.
Oh, the bubbles are burning my tongue!
But it is so incredibly delicious. It's savory, but it's a little bit creamy. This is an A++++ dish.
Spicy wonton. Don't drink it. It looks deadly.
This one will definitely mess you up. I'm not messing with this one. Good size. That might have been the best burn. This super slaps, but they're really small. Very, very numbing. So if you're very adventurous and if you're tough and you can handle a lot of spice and...
Dude, what is your problem?
Don't take one gigantic bite like I just did, also because I got a bunch of the soup.
I told you don't drink the soup. Don't drink it. It looks deadly.
Take your time, but this is so incredibly good.
This is the yopo noodles. It's a spicy noodle with garlic, and they splash and pour hot scalding noodles on top. That's why it's called yopo noodles. There's so much garlic on top. You need to really, really mix it. And these noodles are handful noodles, thick belt-like noodles. The bottom, there's this sauce. Let's see how long one noodle is. I think I broke it. You get the point. It's really long. It has bean sprouts and chilies and bok choy. There's some vinegar in there. It's really good. Not as spicy as this.
I can guarantee it's not as spicy as this.
But the noodle's really chewy. It's thick. It's so good. You can't get this kind of texture from a machine. It's only chewy because of the bouncing of the dough and the pooling of the dough. And it's vegetarian, so there's no meat. This is a must. For me, this is a must. This is the pepper pork. The rice looks really fluffy. Pork, slices of peppers. They're not bell peppers for sure. This rice is so fluffy. The pork is tender and chewy. This is good. Get this if you don't like spicy, because this is not a spicy dish.
All right, this is still hot.
This wonton is so cute. It's pork on the inside. That sauce is numbing. All right, I'm gonna try this. Dan noodle. Really long noodles. I love the nuttiness.
You get that very heavily if you mix it from the bottom.
It's numbing and nutty. I can't pick which one's my favorite. They're all my favorite. It's a tie between these two. These both are my favorite, but they're all my favorite.
Shout out to one of our viewers that watched our Momofuku noodles video that let us know that black people love noodles too. So
Everybody loves noodles.
slaps as hard as these noodles were slapped. It's so good. If you like sourness, I feel like the vinegar makes it like slightly sour. You'll definitely like it. And nice and crunchy veggies. If I was gonna pick one, I think this is the most flavorful noodle dish. Out of all the noodle dishes, this is like easily competes with any noodle dish in all of SGV in terms of just pure flavor.
We really tried, but we're taking all these home with us.
Everybody here is really awesome. All the staff here is really awesome. The food came out like super fast. Here's the total, 66.24. With 66.24, our total for this year to date for supporting SGV restaurants in our videos is right here. That was a really awesome meal. It's also really good because this is a really unique regional cuisine here in SGV. But also, if you're interested in another unique cuisine that you don't see very often, there's a place right next door that you should check out, and you can watch that video right here.